Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is classifications of business activities. All the activity which are undertaken in connection with the productions of things and carrying them from place of production to the place of consumptions are called business. In short, we can say that activities connected with the productions are called industry, and the activities connected with the transport of goods and produce from the factories to the customer are called commerce. The divisions of the activities has been shown in the following diagram. Means classifications of business activities divided into industry and commerce further divided into trade and accessories to trade. Now we discuss first what is industry. Industry include all those activities through which the raw material is converted into finished product. In other words, we can say that industry means the productions of manufacturing of goods through the industry, the thing hosted by the nature and made capable of being used by the creating for utility. Three type of goods are manufactured in the industry. First, producers of capital goods, consumer goods, and intermediate goods. And industry may be divided into a three part, that is primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. In the primary industry include those activities through which the natural resources are used to provide the raw material to the other industries. Then in the secondary industry, under the secondary industry, new products are manufactured by using the previously produced things. For example, producing a cotton in a primary industry, manufacturing cloth out of the cotton is a secondary industry. Then tertiary industry are also called service industry. Service industry include those services which are help business to move unhindered. For example, transport, bank, insurance, advertisement, storage, etc. These days, all the service are called industry. For example, transport industry, banking industry, insurance industry, advertisement industry, and warehousing industries. Now, what is commerce? It refers to the sum total of all those activities which are engaged in the removal of hindrance of person, place, time, risk, and finance information in the exchange of community. Commerce is the sum total of all those activities which have to be undertaken in carrying things from place of production to the place of consumption. We can say that component of commerce is trade and accessories to trade. Trade means buying and selling of goods and services with the purpose of getting profit. In other words, the trade means exchange of goods and services for the purpose of mutual profit of both the buyer and the seller. Those who perform these activities called trader, and their activities trade. Trade can be carried on the small as well as largest scale. Trade further classified into the home trade and foreign trade. Next, auxiliary to trade. It refers to all those activities which is undertaken to overcome the hurdles appearing in the way of trade. Means commerce include not only trade but also various other auxiliaries or add subsidiary activities. All those activities which are undertaken to overcome the hurdles appearing in the way of trade are called adds to trade. These have been the explained means middleman, transport and communication, warehousing, insurance, banking, advertising. As we discussed, transport and communication in community are manufactured in certain specific area while consumer not very nearby. In other words, producer consumer are far away from each other geographically. Hence, there is one more hindrance is trade. This hindrance related to transport of the goods from place to place, production to the place of consumption. This hindrance can be eliminated with the help of transport. With the help of transport, communities can be carried from other place of production to the place where they are required. Thank you.